What is up, everybody? Chef Moonhead here with my first YouTube video. I mean, it's not my first YouTube video. I've been at this shit for a while, but it's my first Chef Moonhead video. And today we will be making buffalo chicken dip. This is the Frank's Red Hot recipe. My mom used to make it all the time. And I really love it. Nobody's more qualified than me to make it. So we're gonna make it here today, and I'm gonna teach you all how to enjoy some chicken dip. See, thing is, not everywhere does it right. Zaxby's, I love Zaxby's, but I got some of their chicken dip one time, some of their buffalo chicken dip, and it tasted like what mom used to make, but mom didn't shit in hers first, so it was still a little off. It was bad. It was really bad. They had all sorts of stuff going on in there, and it wasn't what I liked. I don't know why my dog's running back and forth either, but we're just going to have to deal with it. It's kind of gives it a down-home feel here. So the real first ingredient, the base of the whole product, is canned chicken, a Tyson Premium Chunk White Chicken. I think this is right. They don't really clarify. I found chicken in a can and I bought it. I think we'll make it work. We're going to be using this big ass glass pan I bought at the Food Line. Ta-da. So we'll put chicken in the can, or canned chicken in the pan, and then 8 ounces of cream cheese spread, and it is spreadable spread, not that cream cheese and chives bullshit. This is spreadable spread, and we'll spread that shit all in our chicken, and then we'll move on. Now, next optional step, this isn't on the Frank's Rep website, but mild cheddar. You could really get any kind of shredded cheese and throw it around in there. We're gonna bake this son of a bitch at about 450 degrees, maybe 350 for like 20 minutes, and it'll just all melt together and be good if it turns out right. So, shredded cheese. We're rule breakers here. And last but not least, Frank's Red Hot. I forgot ranch. You can put ranch in there. I'm not a big ranch guy. I don't think ranch makes a fuck, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna substitute ranch with more Frank's Red Hot, and I think we'll be good. Optional ingredients include just amazing looks. Look at this. I know not all of you can do that, but that's an optional ingredient. All right, so now we got our cans unpackaged. I gotta pry this son of a bitch open too. Like a butter knife. Here we go. So I'm gonna pry this thing open. Pop the can. Pull the lid. That looks Let's see if you can. Looks and smells awful. I think I'm supposed to pour the water in the sink. I don't know if I'm supposed to, but I think I'm supposed to. Huh. I don't know. Hello?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
So am I supposed am I supposed to pour the water out of this chicken?
Yes.
How?
Yes.
How?
You open up the can and
well, no shit, you open up the can. I got the can open. How do I get the water out?
I'm trying to do something. You hold the lid down on it and like pour it over onto the sink.
Alrighty. I'll figure it out. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Well, that didn't help at all. Alright, I think what she meant is do this. So I'm gonna do this. It's working! Alright, so here's what we're doing. I really need a cameraman. Take my word for it. Actually, you know what I can do? There we go, see? And this is like way too much pan for the amount we're making, but it'll get the job done. So we're gonna pry this one open again. We're gonna pop it open. We're gonna pull the top back on it, and And we're gonna go over here and we're gonna dump it out. Alright, so now we got this son of a bitch drained. And just dump it everywhere in here. And we're gonna chop it up. Chop it up, chop it up, chop it up. I should have thought this through because only like half our pan. Why is my dog crying? I think we're gonna need a smaller pan. Ralphie's tennis ball had rolled under something, so he was crying because he couldn't get it. This is a little worrisome. Do I have something I can... Can you put a frying pan in the oven? We're going to. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. All right, so frying pan. Oven's preheated. That's good timing. All right. I feel like that's going to work out a lot better, so we'll dispose of this. Got to get it washed. Move our sharp little can things here. Now we'll smash this chicken. Smash this chicken. Remember that news anchor said keep fucking that chicken? No, we're smashing this chicken.
Make your weekend plans.
Takes a tough man to make a tender forecast, Nick.
I guess that's me.
Keep fucking that chicken.
Okay, I'll do that.
That's what we're doing here. Pre-recorded on a Wednesday afternoon, probably. That you see this. Maybe a Tuesday night if I get off my ass and edit it. All right, that is smashed chicken. Now, one thing of cream cheese. Softened. This looks pretty soft, so I guess it'll do. I think I got the wrong thing of cream cheese. Let me get the glasses back on now. I'm gonna use a spoon for this little endeavor. All right, we're gonna just all over it, all 8 ounces of this going in here. I really am starting to think I got the wrong product, but we'll make it work because heat'll soften it. That's for damn sure. So I don't know that it really makes a fuck if it's softened or not. As my notifications are just blowing up over here. We're gonna mute those. Huh. I've got it all over me. All over me. Let me tell you what. I have got cream cheese all over me. That'd make a hell of a song. I got cream cheese all over me. Bum, bum, bum. All right. We're gonna get that down there. All of that. You know, cream cheese and chives, really, really good crackers. Me and Cozy frequent those on race trips now. Just thought I'd let you guys know. I'm gonna wash my hands. Which is something you ought to be doing. We're in the middle of a goddamn pandemic, and we got folks out here not even washing their hands. The fuck's up with that? All right, so now we gotta stir this up. We gotta stir this up. We gotta stir this up. You know, I'm starting to think this might not be turning out very well. But I don't know. I got my confidence. I got my confidence. I just threw chicken and cheese out of the pan. We're about to bake a frying pan. I still don't know if you can do that. All right, so that's good enough. Now, for the shredded cheese. Shredded cheese. You just want to layer it. You just want to layer it. You just want to layer it. This is what we've got right now. Doesn't look pretty, but I think the looks will bake out of it. All right, last, this is where we're substituting our ranch for our Franks. There was already Franks on the list, but there was also ranch. I'm not a big ranch guy, so we're substituting ranch for more Franks. They call for like half a cup of Frank's. I don't think I have half a cup sitting around somewhere, so we're just gonna make do here. Fuck. All right. Frank's Red Hot Original. I hope that's the same as Buffalo. Yeah, it calls for original. So we're just gonna. How much is in this? 12 fluid ounces. I'd say that's about 8 ounces of Frank's Red Hot we just put in there. What's that, a cup? I think. All right, so this is what it's looking like. We're gonna get this, take that out of there. I should probably, hang on. We're gonna stir it one more time, just for good measure. Get everything down in there, right? All right, so we're gonna take this. Fuck, I left a pan in there. God damn it. Huh. All right, so what we're gonna do, you gotta be able to think on the fly if you're a chef. We're gonna, ooh. This feels a hell of a lot hotter than 350 degrees. I've been burned many times. This feels a lot hotter. All right, put that there. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this, we're gonna put it in there, and we're gonna cook that son of a bitch for 20 minutes. Oh, 20 minutes. All right, that's the sound of a oven that's done. We can move this pan over here. All right, let's see how she turned out. That's not a good sign. That fogged up my fucking glasses. I think it needs a few more minutes. It needs a few more minutes. So we're gonna give it like 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. We're down to 40 seconds. It's looking better. I think if I mix it up, I think that's what I need to do. I think I just need to mix it up a little bit when I get it out. Let's see here. Oh, hotter than hell. We're gonna mix. Spoon. Ah! God damn it! Knew I was gonna do that. Fuck. God, that was hot. Oh. I think I'm supposed to put cold water on it. It hurts more now. Oh. Oh. Fuck. I hate to break it to you. I think we need about 3 more minutes. My God. I'm gonna be out of commission for a little bit. I mean, my hand is like burning off as we speak. We're gonna bake, start. Oh my God. Oh, fuck. ice. All right, I think it's time. Looks a little better. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. So, we're gonna... See? Kinda know what I'm doing. All right, so we're gonna try our first bite with our chips. All right, cheers. Really spicy. I went heavy with the hot sauce. All things considered, my hand hurts all the way up to my shoulder. I just want y'all to know that. All things considered, I think it turned out really good. I think in the future I need like a compact bowl. To get more of that baking effect. I think it turned out really good. I do. All right. Well, that's gonna... About did it again. That's gonna do it for Chef Moonhead episode 1. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll be back probably with steaks next. Or maybe nachos. I don't know. Thanks for watching.